Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 87th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is about form action attribute. We'll start with doctype HTML tag, body tag, now h2 tag, the form action attribute, and now we'll end h2 tag. The FORMACTION attribute specifies the URL of a file that will process the input control when the form is submitted. Now we'll use FORMACTION tag. FORMACTION equals to student.html. First name equals to fname. First name input type equals to text. Name equals to fname. And then br tag. Now we'll copy the same line and paste it in the next line, and we'll make necessary changes. Now input type equals to submit, value equals to submit as student, and we'll use break tag again. We'll copy the same line and paste it in the next line, and we'll make necessary changes. Now we'll end form tag, body tag, and HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 87 with the extension HTML and in all files. Now we'll make the new file, this student.html, and now we'll end h1 tag, and now we'll just save it as, and with the extension HTML and in all files. So now we'll make faculty file, and now we'll end h1 tag, and now we'll just save it as faculty and with the extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. We'll click on PC HTML folder, and here 87th program. us Vikram, and last name it will show us Bhatt, and if we click on submit a student, it will show us hello student, and similarly it will show the same output in if we click on submit as faculty. So this is the basic output of 87th program, how to use FORMACTION, and don't forget to check the text in description to get clear understanding.